Succulents have been quietly sneaking into Christmas decor, and no one seems to be talking about it. But this year, they're taking over our festive tables in a way that feels almost suspiciously perfect. Too charming, too low maintenance, too convenient. Today, we're uncovering 25 succulent tabletop decoration ideas that might just outshine your traditional holiday decor. Echeveria in a decorative bowl looks almost unreal on a Christmas table. The rosette shape blends effortlessly with the holiday theme. It's simple, timeless, and suspiciously good at stealing attention from everything else on the table. Succulents in bright red bowls create instant contrast and festive drama. The colors pop in a way that feels almost staged. It's the easiest way to turn a plain table into a Christmas-ready display. Succulents arranged in a boho-style centerpiece add a glam touch you wouldn't expect. The textures feel intentionally festive without looking forced. It's a setup that makes guests wonder if you hired a stylist. Succulents placed in tiny metal buckets look charming and rustic. They work beautifully as centerpieces or table accents. They're so cute it feels like they were designed specifically for Christmas morning photos. Succulents in a wooden box wrapped with red bows give off classic Christmas warmth. The earthy tones mix perfectly with seasonal decor. It's almost suspicious how effortless the whole arrangement looks. Succulents combined with candles create a glowing, soft holiday vibe. The candlelight makes every leaf look magical. It's the kind of display that makes you pause and stare longer than expected. Succulents tucked into small flower pots are unexpectedly adorable. They're simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for small tables. It's hard to understand how something so basic appears so festive. Succulents displayed in boat-shaped planters instantly create a focal point. The elongated design looks elegant on dining tables. It's almost as if these planters were invented just for Christmas decorations. Succulents in mason jars bring a rustic, warm charm to the room. They're easy to assemble, yet look professionally crafted. The soft, holiday glow around them feels suspiciously perfect for winter evenings. Succulents paired with a vintage planter and votive candles create a nostalgic holiday touch. The flickering light highlights every leaf beautifully. It's a centerpiece that feels like it holds a secret story. Succulents in glittered terracotta pots instantly add sparkle to your decor. They shine under Christmas lights like tiny ornaments, almost too festive to be this easy to make. Succulents placed in matching mini pots create a clean, elegant look. Their fresh green color complements any Christmas palette. It's an arrangement that looks much more expensive than it is. Succulents arranged in a long white planter with tiny Christmas trees look striking. The contrast is bold, yet cozy. It feels suspicious how effortlessly they blend with traditional decor. Succulents in a glass bowl with LED lights create a gentle, glowing display. The lights bounce off the leaves, making them look almost enchanted. It's a showstopper with nearly no effort. Succulents paired with red ribbons and LED strips look wonderfully festive. The combination feels delicate, yet eye-catching. It's the kind of decoration that guests will keep complimenting. Succulents arranged in a green, Christmas-themed pot create a cheerful display. The fresh colors embody the holiday spirit. It's simple enough for beginners, but looks impressively put together. Succulents in a mini Santa's sleigh look playful and festive. It brings a whimsical charm to the table. It almost feels mischievous, like the plants are hitching a ride to the North Pole. Succulents glowing under LED lights inside a small wooden box radiate festive warmth. The blend of wood, green, and light feels almost too perfect. It's a decoration that transforms any space instantly. Succulents grown in Santa-themed cups bring both fun and color. They make great table decor and conversation starters. They're so adorable, it's suspicious how much personality they add. Succulents with tiny Christmas ornaments inside a terrarium feel like a miniature holiday world. Plants like Haworthia and Crassula look adorable in this setup. It's a tiny ecosystem that somehow captures Christmas better than big decorations. Succulents planted over a moss-filled cone frame create a living Christmas tree. Every angle looks crafted and artistic. It's unbelievably festive for something made from spare cuttings. Succulents arranged in a basket make a rustic and heartwarming gift. The layered textures look fuller than expected. It's the kind of decor that feels too charming to be this simple. Echeveria with trailing plants over a tiny Christmas boot looks magical. The mix of shapes and colors creates a cheerful display. It almost looks like a scene from a fairy tale. Succulents arranged inside a birchwood piece create a stunning, natural display. The rugged bark contrasts beautifully with soft leaves. It gives off a cozy woodland Christmas vibe. Succulents arranged in festive pots make excellent tabletop gifts. Each plant adds its own charm to the display. They feel intentionally designed to brighten winter spaces. If these ideas made your Christmas table feel a little more magical, then don't wait. Hit subscribe and like. More smart, simple, and stunning plant ideas are coming your way.